Hello and welcome back to the channel. This winter I'm growing two special flowers in my garden. I want to share these two with you today. I've got the white Alyssum and some nasturtiums. These are my white Alyssum flowers. In the past I've been unsuccessful in trying to grow these flowers, but this season they are just everywhere. The white Alyssum flowers are these tiny white flowers that smell sweet like honey. They form a soft spreading carpet of blooms that you can grow on your edges, on your pathways, or under taller plants. But in my garden this year, I just decided to just throw them everywhere. I'm using them as part of my living mulch. They cover the soil and they lock in moisture and they keep the weeds down. And these alyssum flowers also attracts hoverflies and bees, and that's a good thing for me because it means more pollinators, and the hoverflies will come and eat those nasty aphids. These flowers have proven to be easy to grow. I grew these ones from seed. All they need is a sunny spot and well draining soil. And to my surprise, even in winter, they grow perfectly in the cold winter days. The second flower that I want us to talk about are these beautiful nasturtiums. They come in bright, cheerful flowers in orange, yellow, or red. And their leaves, they are round shaped, they look like little lily pads. I like those little patches of white that they sometimes have. Nasturtiums can also trail or climb, which makes them perfect for pots, fences, or garden borders. One thing that I love about nasturtiums is that they are one of those never mind, don't care kind of flowers. They don't die if your soil is not as rich in nutrients, and they need very little care. I also learned that they are edible. They've got peppery leaves and flowers that are great for salads. These flowers also help in the garden by repelling pests like whiteflies and aphids, and I also grow them as trap crops for aphids. If you look closely on that orange flower, you'll see there are some black aphids that are just chilling there, waiting for me to come and spray them off. And that's how my nasturtiums trap aphids. I noticed that nasturtiums also self-seed just like the marigold. They grow these big seeds that ultimately sow themselves back in the spots around the old plant. I grew both flowers directly in the soil. There was not much amending that I had to do other than my usual composting, and in a few weeks they had grown and they had started blooming. They have since been feeding pollinators and protecting my winter veggies. These may be small flowers, but they do big things in the garden. So, if you're looking for beauty, ease, and garden benefits this winter, give Alyssum flowers and nasturtiums a try. That's it from my garden today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. Please write in the comments below and tell me which flowers are you growing this season. As always, happy gardening to you.